Hi guys, my name is Gideon. I am 13 years old. I was born and raised in America. And then ever since I was little, my mom and my dad always taught me how to cook Habesha food. And then it's finally paying off. So I decided that I'll be here cooking a lot more because ever since I was little, I decided to cook. And then we even have some other cooking videos on our channel. They'll be in the link, the folder for it. So right now we are cooking lamb and potatoes alicha. I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned for a lot more. Today we will be making lamb and potatoes alicha with some curry. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. You guys will enjoy this video. So guys, here are the bones of the lamb chop. We are gonna first put some oil in the pan. Just a little bit because we don't need a lot. And our bones. Now the bones will give the alicha a more defined flavor. So guys, we also have some frozen rosemary. Just throw that in there because the rosemary is like a lamb's best friend. You gotta use it. It's a nice flavor. So guys, we are gonna cook both sides of the lamb bone. After that, we're gonna add a little bit of our onions. Put that over. So guys, this is our onions. They are getting golden brown, as you can see. Almost there. And then our lamb chops are almost done. Smelling really good. Alright, keep on sauteing it until all your onions are golden brown. And then when that happens, your lamb chops will be done too. See how that rosemary is spreading around? That's how you know you're cooking it right. Alright guys, in goes our tomato puree. Alright guys, so we're just gonna let this simmer until the lamb chops are well done, or however way you like them. Alright guys, so now we are gonna puree our ginger and garlic. Go ahead and put in our garlic and ginger puree. Let that sit. So guys, let's go ahead and check on our lamb chops and onions with our puree. So guys, we have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of curry powder for that extra kick. Maybe a little more, half. And you need only a 1/4 teaspoon with the korarima, because the korarima is very strong. So only a 1/4 teaspoon. There you go. Add our potatoes, and anytime you're using potatoes in a dish like this, always put your seasonings before the potatoes because it just gets mixed very well. So let's stir that up, get it well distributed. So guys, we are gonna add finally our jalapenos and our lamb meat. Alright? And the reason why we added our lamb meat later than before is because lamb meat's so soft, so like it needs less time to cook than everything else. So let's get that well distributed. Let's let it cook. Alright, so because this is 2 cups, we're gonna add half of this, which is 1 cup. This is water. Alright. Alright guys, so you want to cook it for around 30 minutes and then until like the lamb chop, the bones inside fall off. That's how you know it's ready. So just let's let that sit for about half an hour. Alright guys, so finally, last but definitely not least, gonna add our seasoned butter. Just that mix it around. This. So now it's done. Looks very nice. By the way, we love our Epicurious pots and pans. If you want to see the unboxing and short review of that, the link will be in the description. So now let's get this plated. So guys, now we are gonna try the lamb and potatoes. The lamb's cooked perfectly. The broth's good. Guys, I really do recommend this meal. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys like this video, please show your support in the comments below. Until next time, do not forget to subscribe to Lovely Eating.